Now we will take MCQs on Ind AS 7. Now we'll take MCQs on Ind AS 7, that is statement of cash flow. Check your level of preparation on Ind AS 7 through MCQs. So here we go. Question number 1. Question number 1. A Limited purchased fixed asset. A Limited purchased fixed asset from USA for $50,000 on 1/10/2017. It entered into currency option contract for the purchase of foreign exchange to pay for fixed asset. So in order to hedge the purchase of fixed asset, it has paid premium of 25,000 rupees to purchase option. If you purchase option, you have to pay premium. This premium is paid towards acquisition of fixed asset, towards acquisition of PPE. The question is, how will you classify such premium in the statement of cash flow of A Limited? Premium paid to buy currency option, and the objective is to hedge the amount that you will pay for purchase of fixed asset. So where would you present it? Please tick mark B. Please tick mark B. Wherever you will purchase the fixed asset, at the same place you are going to present the premium paid also. So if purchase of fixed asset is presented in investing activity, the premium paid for hedging the amount of outflow will also be presented in investing activity. Tick mark B. Please write B here. And as a reference, I have found the text of Ind AS 7. If you are interested, you can note it down. This is the text of Ind AS 7. You can find in the institute's website the bare text of Ind AS 7. So where they have written, please note down in the notebook or in the book, wherever you want to write, text of Ind AS 7. Example of cash flow arising from investing activities are. Example of cash flows arising from investing activities are. Underline investing activities are. This is the bare text of Ind AS 7. Under that, write cash payment for future contract, forward contract, and this double underline because this is related to our question, option contract and swap contracts. Cash payment for future contract, forward contract, option contract and swap contract, except when the contracts are swap contract, except when the contracts are held for dealing or trading purpose, except when the contracts are held for dealing or trading purpose, or the payments are classified as financing activity. So when the purpose of contract is trading, or when the purpose of the contract is related to financing activity, they will be shown in operating activity and financing activity. But in this example, the purpose was neither trading nor financing. The purpose was hedging for purchase of fixed asset. So hence we are going to present it in investing activities. Is the answer right now? Please rectify the answer. It should be B. Okay, don't waste your time and my time. When I am giving explanation for B, write down. I hope you have noted down. I hope you have noted it down. Okay, come to question number 2. An entity purchases a building and the seller accepts payment partly in equity share and partly in debenture of the equity. Some portion of the payment was made in the form of equity share, some was made in debenture. This transaction should be treated in the statement of cash flow as follows. You read the options and you give me the answer. Which option do you think is right? Whether it will be shown in investing activity, financing activity, operating activity, or none of the activities and only a disclosure in the footnote. What is your answer? Please reply. What do you think? Whether it is disclosure is required? Disclosure is required. Answer is C, because there is no cash transaction involved. Some students said investing activity. If you have written investing activity, your bank balance will have cash outflow and institute will have cash inflow. Okay, where is the cash involved? You have acquired building account debit. You have issued equity share to equity share capital. You have issued debenture to debenture. Arey, where is the cash? Please reply. Where is the cash? Where is the cash? There is no cash. No need to write in the statement of cash flow. Only disclosure. Only disclosure. Okay. The answer is C. Okay, try one more. Try one more. How should gain on sale of an office building owned by the entity be presented in the cash flow statement? Options are on the screen. Please read the options and give me the answer. Just mention A, B, C or D. Let me see how much you have understood. The student has replied C, which is the right answer. An adjustment to the net income in the operating activity section of the cash flow statement prepared under indirect method. This is right, because gain on sale of office building is credited to P&L account, and if you are preparing indirect method statement of cash flow, you are going to make adjustment in the section operating activity. The correct answer was C. Okay, try one more. Try one more. How should an unrealized gain on foreign currency translation be presented in the cash flow statement? Try on your own. I will wait. Try on your own. Read the options on the screen. Think what can be the answer. The answer is D. You are right. If you are preparing as an adjustment to net income in the operating activity section of the statement of cash flow. Is it right now? Under indirect method. Under indirect method, like the previous one, it will be adjusted in the statement of cash flow. So the answer was D. Thank you very much for your presence, your participation in this MCQ discussion, and please join our YouTube channel AS Foundation, where we are going to add more MCQs in future. Thank you very much.